Out of ideas for your brand's next visual campaign? No assets, no time? With ChatGPT 4o's new image generation, you can now create fashion mood boards from just one prompt. And AI instantly creates a mood board like this one. Tailored neutral suit, white tee, Gucci bag, editorial style stairs, handwritten brand tags, a fully styled concept image with layout, tone and vibe ready to go. It's not just inspiration, it's actionable direction. But turning that into real, usable content, that's where we come in. At Wing Future, we take AI-generated mood boards and turn them into branded social visuals, product-focused imagery, campaign assets ready for IG, TikTok, Pinterest, and more, all matched to your brand's tone and specs. From prompt to idea to visuals you can publish. Visit www.aitobrands.com. We bridge AI creativity with commercial content, faster content, lower cost, clearer vision. That's the Wing Future way.